Data transmission and connection is the very backbone of the information highway and the true conveyor of knowledge globally. We all know with knowledge comes great opportunity. To make the most of your information highway, check out the optical cable and related products manufactured by Ningbo Ingo.
Ningbo 银谷电子科技有限公司创建于2003年，从2003年创建之初到现在。
We are a large production enterprise engaged in optical cable, cabinet, and related supporting products production. At Ingo, we have established a number of production bases used in the manufacturing of optical cable, fiber optic patch cord, cabinets, and other products. Our well-equipped production facility spans an area of 80,000 square meters. Ingo has organized and established a standardized plant and office building and staffed these facilities with nearly 360 people operating in management and production. Our core product line, including fiber optic cable, fiber patch cord, fiber pigtail, FTTH patch cord, PLC, fiber patch panel, server cabinet, network cabinet, single double open rack, electric cabinet, ODF, bandwidth cabinet, and other related products and accessories. Our annual output value is about $50 million. We attach great importance to the quality of our products. From the very founding of the company, we have instilled a modern enterprise management system and a sound production management system at all levels. From the entry of raw materials into the factory to the last production step is completed, we are meticulous in every aspect of the production cycle, and the production and operation results are remarkable. The company has passed ISO 9001-2008 quality system certification. Our products are stable and reliable, hence we have won the trust of many customers. For more details, we welcome buyers' detailed consultation.
关于具体的产品细节方面，欢迎来电随时洽谈。
The optical fiber cable production base covers an area of 40,000 square meters and is equipped with a complete set of standardized optical fiber cable processing equipment. It can process all kinds of outdoor optical cable and indoor cable for our esteemed client base. Ingo produces more than 2 million core kilometers of fiber optic cable per year. Production Workshop has introduced advanced automated production lines which can complete the plastic forming process, extrusion process, cable formation process, and so on. In addition, the factory is also equipped with an optical fiber cable testing lab, and we set up a complete quality assurance system according to the ISO 9001 quality management system operation to assure the quality of finished fiber cable. At present, the annual production scale of our outdoor optical fiber cable reaches 800,000 core kilometers, 300,000 core kilometers of indoor fiber optical cable, and 400,000 core kilometers of FTTH drop cables. Our cable products include outdoor cable and indoor cables with a complete structure design, advanced process control, and strict material handling to ensure excellent fiber optical cable performance. Our outdoor cable includes central tube cable, stranded loose tube cable, double sheath cable, self-supporting figure 8 cable, and ADSS cable. This precise design protects the optical fibers and operational properties of the cable. These cables feature advanced process control and high-quality material. We can also custom design cables to your exact specifications. Our indoor cable includes simplex cable, duplex cable, distribution cable, breakout cable, and FTTH drop cable. We can also produce many types of fiber optic patch cords. cabinet production base is responsible for the production of the network cabinet, server cabinet, wall cabinet, and some heavy-duty type server cabinet and other products. And we can also customize cabinets for special requirements. The production workshop is equipped with multiple production machines and complete sets of processing equipment, which can undertake large mass purchase orders. The introduction of automated equipment and automated production lines has effectively increased production efficiency and greatly shortened the delivery cycle of customer orders.